Hi, this is Nick Lacasse from Pure Kitchen Catering, and today we are cooking breaded fish without burning it. One of the biggest questions I get from people that are not in the restaurant business is, how do you cook fish properly? Every time I try to cook it, I mess it up. Very easy to not mess it up. When you're dealing with breaded fish, you need to worry about your pan not being too hot to start. This is olive oil, so it's got a medium smoke point. See, I'm swizzling it around and it's not smoking. So if I was doing non-breaded fish, I would say this is not ready to sear yet. I'm going to add a little bit of butter, which has a lower smoke point, and this should work out just perfectly. We got some nice, simply breaded halibut. Basically, as soon as the butter starts to melt, you also want to make sure to drop it away from you so that you don't get the tidal wave of hot grease. So we're started hot. We're going to drop to medium. Really, what you want is to cook the fish about 75% on the first side, so that when you flip it, you just need to essentially touch the other side and the fish is basically done. So this first side, we drop the temperature down so that we get a nice, even golden brown. So now that we're on medium-low temperature, 2 to 3 minutes, let's take a look at our perfectly golden fish. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, and we're going nice, kind of low, lazy bubble in the butter and oil together. We're going to flip our fish very gently away from us. So now our fish is a beautiful golden brown, and it's cooked about 75% through. So just another minute or two on this side, and we will be perfect breaded fish without burning. This is Nick from Pure Kitchen. Thank you very much.